everybody! It's getting warmer and warmer. So what are you eating? What are you cooking these days? I'm making some kind of cold noodles. A while ago, one of you guys, YouTube audience, asked this. Mangchi, memil soba please. During the hot summer day, we love memil soba. So memil means buckwheat. Soba means also buckwheat in Japanese. So memil. It sounds like a buckwheat. And actually, I'm making this recipe all the time, especially during the hot summer day. Memilguksu, buckwheat noodles. This is a kind of a Japanese style, but Koreans love this way. I've never had these noodles in Japan or Japanese restaurant, but Koreans all love to enjoy this way. When you go to Korean grocery store, you will find brown color noodles. Made in Japan, made in Korea, so you will see a lot of buckwheat noodles are sold on the shelf. I choose just any on sale. Buckwheat is really good for your health. Lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, good for your body, healthy food. First, I'm gonna make wasabi, in Korean gochujang sauce, mixed with water. So I always use this wasabi powder because it's very cheap. So one time I buy, I use like 1 year, but keep in the freezer always. When I make these noodles, I use just daikon. Daikon or Korean radish, always I keep this way in the refrigerator. Only 2 servings I'm making. About this amount. I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator. That's around a quarter cup amount. Green onion. You can use 2 or 3 green onions. Wasabi, green onion, and radish, ground radish. We finished preparing these 3 things and then boil these noodles. So now I'm boiling water, and another thing I need to prepare is kim. The seaweed paper, kim. I love to eat a lot of kim because the kim flavor is really go well together. I want to toast very crispy, so both sides. Okay. So I prepared 4 things. Now my water is boiling. Let's cook noodles. I'm using these noodles, and just for 2 serving, and you need 2 bundles, but I need them more, so I use 3 bundles. Just stir well so that these guys are not going to stick to each other. And cover. 7 minutes. 7 minutes cooking. Now I gotta make a dipping sauce or dipping broth. Wow. Easily boiling over. So I'm going to just get rid of this cover and keep an eye on my noodles. When you go to Korean grocery store or Japanese grocery store, you will see this kind of a sauce. It's called Jiyu sauce, Jiyu. And be sure to check out read this. It says concentrated, and then very, very salty. So you need to add just a little bit and then add more water. But this one is kind of an easier way. But it says that soba chuyu and no dilution necessary. It says that, but I'm going to dilute because that's the way that I make these noodles. Korean way is that we kind of make it less salty, eating like a noodle soup. Half cup and 1 tablespoon. Very cold water. Half cup. This ratio is very good. So we are going to just half and half, divide into 2 bowls. And radish. This. Green onion. I'm going to add ice cube. 6 minutes passed. I think this is good. 6 minutes is enough. When you chew this, it tastes like a little bit like bitter, but this is good for your body. So because it's buckwheat. Turn off. My timer will go off soon. Let's just rinse in cold water. Some ice cube here, so that make noodles more chewy. Make this. Okay, my noodles are here. So when you make this is a really large platter. And I use this method all the time. This is a kimbap. When I make a kimbap, I use this mat, just bamboo mat. The reason we put this mat is that the water, some water is going through this. It has to be dried. See, water is dropping. Look at this. Put this some little bit more for nice presentation. Any noodle dishes, after cooking your noodles, you gotta eat quickly. Why? It's going to expand and go soggy. And then sauce is very cold now. And let's go. So this is how simple it is. I'm going to eat this. And I'm going to add some wasabi here. Just a little bit. Last time I added too much. Oh, I couldn't enjoy because it's too spicy. You see? The radish, ground radish is here. Like this. And let's eat this from here. Like that. Hold this. And just take some and dipping and eat. Cool and refreshing and delicious and nice and kind of cold stuff is coming into a hot summer day. This is a really good feeling. So I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. Today I showed you how to make cold 메밀국수. So buckwheat noodles served with dipping sauce. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.